Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to sell altcoins on Poloniex. First thing I'd like you to know that altcoins are alternative coins, alternatives to BTC. So any coin that is not BTC is an altcoin. Got it? Now let's move on. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to sell altcoins on Poloniex. First thing you need to do is to launch the Poloniex app on your mobile device and log into your account, which of course I've done in here. Then from the home section, check the bottom right corner of your screen, you find the wallet. Select wallet. In this window, you have the deposit/buy button. Select that, and that opens you up to this drop-down menu that says deposit, P2P, and buy crypto. Select buy crypto, and that takes you to the next window. Which is loading up. So we're back in this window. Now you have buy crypto and you have sell crypto. Remember, this tutorial says how to sell altcoins, and we know what altcoins are. So go to sell crypto. Once you click on the sell crypto tab, that takes you here. Now pay. How much do you want to pay? What's the altcoin first that you want to choose, and how much do you want to sell? So how much do you want to pay? So let's go ahead and choose this. So which altcoin I'm going to choose for this transaction? Like I said, altcoins are coins that are not Bitcoins. So our altcoins could be ETH, CRX, USDC, USDT, LTC, or XRP. So let's say I want to get XRP and I click on that. I want to sell this XRP as my altcoin. In here, enter the amount of XRP that you want to sell. And then you're going to receive, choose between these fiat currencies, either it's euros or USD. Now, once you have chosen, that's it. Select your payment method, which we have in here. What we have available is Mercurial. You can also use a bank transfer using the Mercurial as your payment method. Check this box next to I have read and agreed to terms of use and click on submit. And once you click on submit, Poloniex will review your request and they'll definitely get back to you. So you get a confirmation message showing that you have sold your XRP altcoin and you will receive the fiat currency in any of the payment method that you chose. And that's it. So go about the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.